there was a big snow here in this part of the country, 12 or 14 inches deep. You couldn't get out of the houses, breaking power lines and telephone lines, and it was just a terrible snow. And I was living in Hazard, so I called Sprout and changed my voice a little bit. I said,
Mr. Johnson, my name is William Slaughterly. I'm calling from Cincinnati with the United States Weather Bureau. We're making some spot checks on the snow. Mr. Johnson, now where is Car Creek?
He said, it's about 20 miles from Hazard. And I said, yeah, maybe I know about where. He said, it's where we had this famous 1928 Car Creek basketball team. And I said, well, I believe I've heard of that. And I said, well, we're just making some checks here with the Weather Bureau, and we found out that you've got 12 or 14 inches of snow all throughout eastern Kentucky, but we've been informed that it didn't snow a drop at Car Creek. Sprout said, well, they've told you wrong, he said.
Is this the town? Was there a lion in the woods at one time in this community?
Hey, who is this? Oh, God.
You're a good news reporter, Sprout.
I'll have to get even you somewhere. I don't have to.
You don't have to do it.
What are you doing?
I called to get some information. I thought I'd have some fun out of you.
Well, you go jump in the river. You jump right in the middle of it.
I'll see you later. Good night.
Okay, Ernest.
Bye.
Good talking to you.
Flashback.